welcome back to the channel. So today we have something pretty special coming at you. Did you know that you can actually make your own flavored red wine vinegar with your own herbs? This is very simply done. All you need is a mason jar. You need some herbs, fresh. You could use dried, even if that's all that you have available at this point in the year. So fresh or dried, and stick it in the bottom of the jar. Pour in one container, and then we're going to pour in a second container into here. And this is a red wine vinegar, and what we have in here is tarragon, because we have a Swedish meatball recipe that calls for red wine tarragon vinegar. Can't find this in stores to save our lives. We have a ton of tarragon out back, and all we're going to do is shake it up and put it in a corner in the kitchen and leave it there for the next 3 weeks. And by that time, we will have a wonderfully, beautifully seasoned red wine vinegar that is ready for Swedish meatballs. And Christmas, by the way.
Gifting.
Yeah, gifting. Ooh, yeah, even better. So yeah, simple, easy, homemade gift for you and kids to do. And you could also do this with an olive oil, by the by, and then put it in a nice fancy little bottle to give as Christmas gifts to friends, families, and or frenemies, whatever you got. Yeah. Okay, so early Christmas idea and early food idea too for Christmas and Thanksgiving. But whatever you want to do with it. All right. So that is our quick video today. I will see you guys on the next one. As always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.